Good day, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're talking about Porsches. I've visited this uncle here in South Africa, Pretoria. He has like 14, 13, 14 Porsche. He's building them up. He built this blue one up. I'll show you later in a photo frame where he was making all the stuff that he did to this Porsche. It's a special edition one he made himself. uh, as you can see here in the back, there's more Porsches, building motors by himself. The workshop of this uncle is very neat, yes, and the beautiful cars is just amazing. As you can see here outside, he's busy building this one also. He's doing the interior now. As you can see there, he's busy building the inside interior. There's another Porsche there on the left here that he also built himself, put the engine himself in. This uncle is just doing very neat jobs. Here's another part of his workshop with all the other Porsche wings and spares. As you can see there, there's some other exhausts also